Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two high-performance tires, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the Kumho Ecsta PS71. Let's see how these competitors measure up. In wet braking, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 outperforms, stopping 1 meter shorter at 40.6 meters compared to the Kumho's 41.6 meters. This could be crucial in emergency stops. For wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 is 0.9 km per hour faster, averaging 75.5 km per hour versus the Kumho's 74.6. It also resists aquaplaning better, slipping at 105.7 km per hour, which is a 2 km per hour advantage over Kumho. On dry roads, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 stops 1 meter shorter, at 34.1 meters from 100 km per hour, compared to the Ecsta PS71's 35.1 meters. It also handles better, averaging 119.1 km per hour in dry conditions, 0.7 km per hour faster than the Kumho. When it comes to wear, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 lasts up to 55,600 kilometers, outlasting the Kumho by 16,800 kilometers. This means fewer tire changes and better long-term value. In terms of noise, the Pilot Sport 5 is quieter, producing 73.8 decibels compared to the Kumho's 75.3 decibels. This 1.5 decibel difference makes for a quieter, more comfortable ride. The Kumho Ecsta PS71 has a slight edge in rolling resistance, measuring a coefficient of 8.06 against the Michelin's 8.09. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 stands out with superior wet, dry, mileage, and noise. On the other hand, the Kumho Ecsta PS71 offers competitive performance and slightly better fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.